gents and ladies, my name is Kirby. Welcome back to Wii Party! So, I think next up we're gonna do Swap Meet.
Yeah, I think this one is all about, you know, matching colors and everything.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. That's what it says.
And hopefully the computer players won't be a pain in the ass to us.
You know what, maybe I want to see what other computer players they have.
What else could I have? Patrick and Tommy?
Didn't we do those guys already?
I don't know. Mike and Shohei?
I don't know. Gwen and Mia?
Yeah, I remember those dudes. Miguel and Sarah. Saburo and Mia. Wait, I saw Abby. I think I want Abby to be with us.
How about these guys, Alex and Andy?
Alright, fine.
Let's do 5 sets. I want this game to be good. Alright, swap meet.
Yeah, thank you for making me wear the right color.
For God's sake, we know how to play! Let's do this!
Alright, hopefully Alex and Andy won't kick our asses. Who are all these people?
I don't know.
Is that the baby over there?
I think it is.
Oh man, didn't we do this one?
Yeah!
And we, all of us tied for some reason.
Let's hope that doesn't happen again.
Alright. What if I want to go with you?
No! I don't want you to go with me!
Maybe I will.
Okay, fine.
Oh, look at that. We didn't get shocked. They did.
Yeah, great to know.
Alright, maybe it's gonna be this one?
No, I don't trust it. Maybe it's gonna be that one.
Alright, whatever you say. Don't blame me if you all get shocked.
Oh, come on!
Oh, good. Now it's just you and me.
Alright. Just like how I want it.
I'm going with this one.
I'm going with this one. I bet it's gonna shock you. Don't shock me, please.
Oh my god. Well, guess what, Kirby? We tied, so now we gotta do a damn dice roll. Again.
And go! Come on! Come on! Oh, come on!
Yeah! Look at that. I won the first minigame. Yes, we know. Alright. Who do I have with me? Yeah, I know. What do I want? Oh, look at that. Watch this. I'm guessing that's Riri? Maybe? Alright, well, guess what?
Are you kidding me? You already have a...
One to go.
Yep, I had to let him say it. Come on, man, it's the first game and you're already gonna kick my ass? Well, guess what? I'm gonna have a platinum with me.
Alright, what about these guys? Alex, he's got a red. Andy, he's got a purple. Oh man, I need one of these guys to have a yellow, so I can win this. Oh yeah, I still know this one. Is there any minigames we haven't done?
Well, we're probably gonna have to keep doing the same ones we tried before.
Yeah, I guess so. Anyways.
Give me those feathers! Give me! Give me the feather!
Come on. Come on.
It's mine! Mine! Damn it, Yoshi, stop taking my feathers! It's mine!
No, it's mine.
Mine! Mine! Stop! Stop! Come on! Give me that! Ah! Crap!
Oh my god. See what you made me do?
Oh god! Come on! Give me! Yes! Yes! I win! Oh!
Yeah, but how are you gonna get a match? Look at that. Andy and Andy. No, Alex and Andy. They tied again.
Why would both of their names be Andy?
I mean, both of their names start with the letter A, so...
I mean, you're right. Okay, I'm gonna go try this guy. Oh, come on, really? Of course you had to give me a stupid one. There's already a clear me over there.
Alright, please have a yellow. Yes!
What?
Oh my god, look at that! First round and I'm already the winner!
Seriously, how? Bruh, already started and you already won? Seriously.
Hold up, I think I see Beef Boss. He's the real goat of the Wii.
Yeah, he is. Imagine if he played with us.
Yeah, that would be an honor. Puzzle pickup. I don't know if we did this one.
All right, what we got?
Start.
This one.
Give me.
Mine.
Which one? Wait, this one.
That one.
This one.
Oh crap. It's mine.
Come on! Ah, crap! I didn't think that was right. Ah!
Look at that. Oh my god, how do these guys keep dying every single time?
The beginner players. What do you think? Swear to God, if you win every single round, I'm gonna lose my damn mind.
Alright, I have a trade me. I don't know who that is.
Yeah, of course you had to take mine.
Relax, you can get another one.
Okay, I need a green or a blue. One of these dudes better have it. Yes, thank you.
One to go.
Guess what? Now I'm the one that has a one to go.
Yeah, good luck trying to get a blue.
Yeah, I believe you get a bonus if you get a match with your color, right? Oh, really? You took my damn blue! Whatever, hopefully these guys will have one. Hopefully.
Yeah, you better hope. Oh, man. Do I remember playing this one? Alright. Guess we gotta try and get all these dudes in our copter.
Alright, in the copter! In the Kirby copter!
Nah, everybody get in the Yoshi copter.
Move out my way! Get in the Yoshi!
No, get in the Yoshi copter.
Get in the Kirby copter! Come on, get in! Hey, come on!
In you go.
Come on, right there!
No, he's mine.
In!
Oh, man. We freaking lost to Andy? Are you kidding me? How did he beat us?
I don't know.
And you're telling me I lost? Really?
I guess nobody wanted to go on the Yoshi copter then. Whatever, I didn't need a green. I need a blue. One of you dudes better have it. I'm guessing it's you. Damn it.
Bad luck.
It's not bad luck, it's just this game. And that one didn't have a blue either?
One to go.
Oh, great. No, he's gonna win.
That's not gonna happen. Well, I don't need a platinum. I guess I'll have a platinum because none of these things are matching.
Oh, man. I just want that blue, man. I know this one.
How many? 105 yards? Okay. Alright.
10, 20, 30. Well, I shouldn't count out loud. That'll help you win.
Yeah, I'll just count in my head.
Finish.
All right. I think I got it.
Nope, I got it. Come on. Come on. Yes!
Really?
Yes, really. Alright, I'm gonna win this one. Just watch.
You're not gonna win this one.
Well, I guess I'll have a purple with me.
One
If that's
to
gonna
go.
help.
Come on, one of you better have a blue. I'm guessing you. Oh my! Really? Why do y'all never have one? I swear, if you give him the W, okay, good.
Oh, I could have used the platinum.
What about that guy? He doesn't need to clear me. Alright, one of these guys better have what I freaking need.
Oh man, I remember this one. I told you, Yoshis aren't being good at being mermaids.
Yes, we know.
Start.
Ah, come on. Oh boy.
No, it's mine.
Oh god, I got hit by a freaking jellyfish. Ugh. Oh my god. Should have watched where I'm going, man.
Come on, it's right there. Ah.
Damn it, all of us died except for Alex. We are not good at this one. If Andy beats us, I swear to God. Okay.
Of course he was gonna get a 1.
Whatever. Well, great, dude. Now Andy's... No, Alex is gonna win. I keep saying his name wrong. Thanks a lot, Kirby.
How's this my fault? You're the one that didn't get all the damn pearls. I could have gotten it. Whatever, I still get a bonus having a 1 to go, right?
Yeah, and I still got one. So, technically, I'm still winning. So, Alex can suck it.
Yeah, but not for long. We're still in round 3. Oh my god, I just need to win everything so I can get a match of my color. Okay, what is it? Oh, really? Bro, I don't want to do this one.
Every time we do this, we always guess the wrong number.
See, look at that. All of you guessed the wrong number except for me.
Only because nobody else picked 5. Maybe I'm gonna pick 5. Oh, shoot, I shouldn't have said that.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Red Yoshi.
Oh, man. Alright, whatever. Nobody's gonna pick this one.
Oh, really? You thought nobody was gonna pick that one, huh?
Come on, nobody better pick my number. Come on, Andy. Are you that dumb? You're gonna let Alex beat me? You're gonna let Kirby get a W? Oh, thank you. Oh, I am not losing to Alex. I am not gonna lose to that guy.
Come on! Yes!
Oh my god.
Finish.
Yeah! How y'all like me now?
This is all your fault, Alex. Alright, you better not beat me in a roll-off. Come on. I hate you, Alex.
That's what you get for being mad at this game.
I'm not bad. It's just Alex, man.
And look at that! I'm matching my own color!
Alright. Guess one of these guys might help. I guess so. Look at that, now he has a match.
Oh, look at that! It's a wild me! I need a wild me!
I need one. Oh, yeah, I remember this one.
Yeah, I remember you got all of them in the first round!
Yeah, let's see if I can do it again. Come on, let me go first.
Alright, maybe I can get them all.
Thanks a lot, Kirby. Now I'm gonna win again.
Please don't. No! Oh, thank God.
Oh man, I almost had it. If Alex gets it... Okay. Andy, don't you dare. Andy, don't you dare. Oh. Well, thanks a lot, Andy. You helped me.
Alright, which one? Was it that one? Yes!
Oh my god. Really, Kirby? Well, guess what? I already know mine, so... Yeah, thanks a lot, guys.
Yeah, this time I won!
But you got it in the second round, not the first round. Bruh, Andy. Alex, how are you so bad at this? Watch, Andy's gonna get And he's gonna get it. See? There we go.
Well, at least I won, so I can give myself another one to go, and then hopefully I can win this one. Well, I'm talking about winning this round. Alright, what should I go for? I guess I'll go with red.
1 to go.
Hell yeah, one to go!
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna need a blue.
1 to go.
Nah, I got a one to go. Hopefully these guys don't get a one to go. And look at that. Now, wait, why did you choose a... Oh my god, beginner players, and they have no idea what they're doing. If it was master, then it would totally kick our asses.
And that's why we gotta go with beginners, so it can be easy for the both of us. And look at that, 2 of these are platinum, but we don't need a platinum.
Oh, I know this one. You gotta be lucky for this one. Oh man, luck has been on my side since the last game, so hopefully luck will be by my side for this one.
Ah, crap.
Come on, luck. Ah, there goes Alex.
Alright, maybe this one? Alright, please don't hit me.
Aha, there goes Andy. Now it's just you and me, Kirby.
Right. Come on! Come on! Hit him!
What?
Yeah! Look at that! Look who has luck by his side now! I got luck by my side now!
Oh my... Really? Come on, luck. You're supposed to be on my side, not his.
Alright.
Wait, I doubt you're gonna get a red, though. See? Look at that. Alex needs a freaking platinum. You see that? Oh my god. Bro, none of these mystery me's are freaking lucky, man. Look, he doesn't need a platinum. Alex needs a damn platinum. He's gonna get a bonus for having a platinum.
1
Seriously.
to go.
You're gonna let him win? Again? Oh my god. See, none of these me's are me's that we need.
I know this one.
Yeah, you just gotta get the dog, right?
Yep.
Start.
Alright, Hey! Oh, crap. Get the dog.
Come on!
Oh, come on.
Eh.
Oh, crap.
I accidentally took one.
Oh, come here, doggy. Come here, doggy.
Come here, doggy! Come here! Ah!
Finish.
Oh, man.
I freaking messed up on that one. Or maybe not.
Look at the computer players. They tied again.
Look at that. I got 9. How about that?
This is like the 4th time these guys tied each other. Like, come on, y'all. Are you that dumb?
Alright, let's see what these guys will give me. Maybe you? Come on!
Alright, come on, Funky Kong. Please give me yellow. Please, come on. I need to win this. Okay, we're done. We're gonna lose again.
No, we're not. See? They don't need any of those me's.
Yeah, you had to use a clear me just for that. How's a clear me even supposed to help you? Oh, look at that.
Come on, I need to win that one. That one has a red. Oh, come on, really?
Oh, man. See, now I'm really begging for luck to be by my side.
Come on, does it really have to be this one? Alright, hopefully I'll win. I'll try this one.
Maybe this one?
Alright, I'm gonna cross my hands. Even though I don't have any fingers, I'm gonna try crossing them.
I'm gonna cross my fingers too.
Come on, please, 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 please.
Oh, really?
Come on.
Dude, Alex is really getting on my damn nerves right now. Really. He did both of us real dirty.
Yeah, but what is he gonna get? You have got to be kidding me, Alex! I hate you! Oh my god!
1 to go.
Bro, this guy, he really did me like that.
Alright, come on. Yes! 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 Let's go! See, look at that, Alex! You tried taking my red, but that one had a red, so suck it! I still got you!
Yeah, but he's still gonna catch up. Look at that, and he finally got something.
Yeah, look who's in the lead now!
Yeah, but we still have like 2 rounds left, so if it was round 3 rounds, you would have won, but we did 5, so it's not over yet.
Alright. Hopefully I'll win this one.
Oh, I like that one. All you gotta do is jump and fly, right? Like I'm doing my little flutter jump.
Yeah, I like you doing your flirt jump.
How can you do it, Kirby? You can't do a flirt jump.
Maybe I can! Watch this!
Come on.
Ow!
Haha, look at that.
Come on, come on! Oh god! Oh boy!
Oh my god. Oh, come on. Floor jump.
Ow, really? How do I keep getting hit?
Floor jump.
Ow!
Look at that. You can't do a floor jump better than I can.
Oh man, but I can float! Doesn't that count?
Nah, I don't think so. Alright, I think I see a trade me. Who should I trade on? You know what? I'm gonna trade on Alex. Being a little bitch.
You could have just taken the purple. Alright, I don't know if I need purple. And I don't need a green as well! You're kidding me! Is he gonna get another platinum? Cause I swear to god he better not!
Alright. Now what? Oh, Space Brawl.
Hopefully I can kick your ass in this one!
Let's all aim at Alex. Alex has been a real pain today.
Yeah.
Alex, I'm gonna get you.
Alex! Come here! Alex!
Take this UFO.
Rocket! Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, come on! Yeah.
Come on.
4, 3, 2,
Oh, crap.
1. Finish.
Look at that! I still won!
Andy, why'd you die to me?
Look at that! I think I did a dab!
That didn't look like a dab.
It was almost!
Alright, come on. I knew it. See, this game is like never fair to me. It was fair to me the last time, but now it's not.
Alright! What should I take? Maybe I should take a blue again for matching.
Yeah, you're gonna get extra points again. You're kidding me. Of course this guy was gonna get a
1 to
bonus.
go.
Alright, come on. Give me something good. I guess I'll do.
1 to go.
1 to go, baby. Come on. I need this. I need this dub. Yeah, you don't need no green. Well, you think about getting a match of a green. Oh man, balloon buggies. Didn't we suck at this one last time?
No, I'm pretty sure that was you!
Well, I sure hope not.
Start.
Come on!
Come on, come on.
Come on! Yeah! It's mine! Damn it, it's mine!
Crap, I don't even know where I'm even going. Give me. Oh crap. Give me that.
Come on, get up!
Andy, really? Oh crap. No, 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 come on.
Ah! Mike! Stop taking it away from me! Come on, I almost had that!
Whatever, I still won, so eat your face, Kirby. Alright, come on. I at least need a yellow. One of you. Maybe you. Okay, maybe not. I guess I'll swap you.
Yeah, of course he's gonna take
One
it!
to go.
Thankfully, you didn't get the platinum.
Yes! Look at that! I got a match amount color again!
Yeah, of course, he's not going to use to clear me because he has a 1 to go. Do we all have a 1 to go now? Oh man, who needs a green? Nobody. Nobody's going to choose her. Oh, I know this one.
Yeah! I gotta run away from the sheeps!
Then you gotta run from the sheeps. Like, you gotta... It's a maze. Oh my god, do not let Andy win.
Andy! Or Alex! Come on!
Come on. I made it.
Yes!
Finish.
Look at that! Yeah, Andy! You better feel sad!
Alright, come on. I need 1 yellow from you guys. 1 yellow. Really.
I need a yellow too! And of course you don't have one! You're gonna give these guys another W, aren't you?
Yeah, they're not gonna use that. They don't need that color. I told you, nobody's gonna use that dude.
Oh my god, I need that! I need that wild me!
I need that one on me too.
Oh, hell yes! I can totally beat your ass in this one, Yoshi!
Oh man. Not if I beat your ass first. Come on.
Start.
Alright! Come on, I'm focusing real hard. I think this goes here.
Nope, you're wrong.
Damn it. Okay, that's okay, I think I can...
No, there's no way you can get it. See?
Come on, man, puzzles are too complicated for me!
Yeah, you don't say. And guess what? That's another W for the one and only Red Yoshi, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, but there's still one final! One more round left, so you didn't win yet!
Of course I'm gonna win. Look at that. How can you even be close to me? Hope these guys aren't close. Alright, am I still winning? Yep. Look at that. Just one more and that's it. Final set. Here we go.
Alright, I think I can use, another red? Oh man, this is the first time we're doing this one! Alright,
Start.
let's do it!
Alright.
I'm aiming at you, Alex! Yes!
Aha, super speed.
Well, let's get Alex!
Oh man, now he's got super speed. Damn it, I almost had him.
What is right there?
Yes! Not just you and me.
Finish.
No!
Yeah!
Oh my god, I was so close winning!
All right. Now, what do I need? Guess I can use a purple, or oh wow, me. Yes.
Yeah, I guess I could use one. There we go.
Let me guess. He's gonna take the. Yep, I knew it. Oh my god, they were both platinums. They better not get a platinum row, otherwise they probably win. Which I'm begging they don't.
Oh, this one.
Alright, I bet I can beat you in this one.
Yeah, you gotta get the most smiles, though.
Start.
Alright.
Finish.
Oh man, I don't think I got that one.
Yes!
Come on, you beat me like 1 point. And look at these guys, they tied for like the 5th time. Seriously, these guys are really, really dumb at this game.
Yeah, I could see. Anyways, what should I take? I don't need green, I don't need red. I just said I don't need red, and you still gave me one.
Yeah, I need red.
You should've just took one from
One to
him.
go.
Alright, this is my moment.
One to
Oh my
go.
god, do not let this guy win. I swear to god, do not give him platinum. Of course. Did he really have to use clear me? What's the point of using clear me anyway? Like, how's that gonna help? Oh, this one.
Alright, it shouldn't be that hard. I think I can beat you in this one. Just need to focus real hard on this one.
Yeah, let's see if you fail.
Not gonna fail, watch. Come on. Look at that. Boom, 110 yards.
Alright, I bet I could do better. Come on. Come on, I just need like maximum amount of speed. Come on, like the biggest amount of speed. Come on. And go. Yeah! Look at that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Yeah! I'd like to see these guys do better. Let's watch them fail. Come on, Alex, what are you waiting for?
Oh, thank God. I don't think they can get more yards than me. Can they?
Yeah, I don't think they can. 110 yards. Yeah, they can't even get to 156. I was real close beating that record though. 179.
Finish.
I could have gotten that record. Anyway, no big deal. I'm gonna win this one again.
Yeah, if you can get a red, that's for damn sure not gonna happen. Just like I said.
Alright, let's see if you can get what you're looking for.
I guess I could use another purple.
One to go.
Yeah, I knew this guy needed purple, so that's why I took it from him.
Yeah, but now he needs a yellow. But oh wait, no, he's looking for platinum. Of course he's trying to go for platinum. Of course he is. Oh my god. You better hope he doesn't get that trade me and wins the damn thing. For the love of God, we're doing this one again?
Come on, I beat you in this one probably twice, so maybe I can do it again.
Yeah, I hope not.
Come on, come on.
Come on. Don't let Kirby beat me in this one.
Whoa, come on. Yes.
Oh my god, how do you keep beating me in this one?
I'm just really good at this one. All right. And guess what? Watch this.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
Game over, right, Yoshi? I win! Woo! I win!
You freaking took my one to go just for that? You could have took Andy's. You could have took Alex. You had to pick me. Of course, you had to pick me.
Yep, I had no choice. I had to keep you from winning, and that's exactly what I just did. So in your face!
Whatever, at least I didn't lose to frickin' Alex. He was such a pain. Thankfully, I got him. Look at that. And he didn't get anything at all. He didn't get a match. See that?
Yeah. Alright, so guys, that was Swap Meet. I think next one might be Spin-Off.
Ooh, spin-off. Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah, that one's pretty fun. So, in the next episode, we might do spin-offs. So, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss another update on this channel. And as always, I'll see all of you dudes in the next video!
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. And if a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I roll the best weed 'cause I got it going on. I'm a nice dude.